Welcome to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions Partners here at Fix8 Media. Today we're going to be talking about the Columns widget. To begin with, make sure you're logged into your account and in the editing mode. For today's demonstration, I'm going to begin by creating a new row. Once I've created a new row, it will default to having one empty column. In the event that you need 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, there are 2 different ways you can accomplish that in your website. The first way is to click on Widgets on your left sidebar and simply type in columns. Here you will see options for 2, 3, and 4 column layouts, and simply dragging those to the position on the page will add those 3 columns for you, and then you can very easily drag widgets into those columns specifically. And you also have the ability to copy and paste widgets from one column to another. So that's a 3-column layout. The second way that you can do this is to go into a row with 1 column and right-click. You'll then see the option or the plus symbol that says Add, and here you're going to roll down until the second from the bottom and click Column. And now I have 2 columns. If I want to add a 3rd column, I'll do the same exact process. 3 columns, and finally 4 columns. So those are your 2 options. You can use the pre-made widgets for columns, which is very handy, or you can simply right-click on the row and choose Add and add the columns as needed. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fix8 Duda experts.